Hello, welcome back to Daisyyumland. We have been crazy foam partying. We already made one bit, but we're going to make another now. And Big Boy just did some foam in one long, awesome snake tube. Look, you can even kind of
hiss.
Look at that. Can't do that with bath foam, can you? This stuff is cool.
Let me get this and put it on our bear and the rest of our cars and amps.
So do you see how it's mouldable? And like, let me see if I can do love heart.
Love heart.
We
yes.
love
we love you, Daisyyumland.
Cool, huh? I love you, Big Boy.
And it's another snake. So the heart.
Cool, right?
It's like they're like transformers.
Transforming from hearts to particles of dust.
Dust, yeah. Magical fairy dust.
So you see, we've still got our cars in here. They're all upside down.
How is it pink?
Let's turn our cars around so that we can actually see them. Let's see who we've got here.
We also have a new Winford Bradford Rutherford RPM car.
Yeah, we showed that already in our last video. Should we show him again? Where is he? See if you can find him. He's hiding. Looking for an RPM logo and a 64. This is number.
Over here,
Anyway,
that's
he's got
62.
blue and yellow colours. Where?
There.
That's just a pile of foam. Aha.
Here I am.
He's
Hello.
revealed his face.
And there's his 64.
There he is.
There's some sponsors there. I can see Visalign gaskets, Gasprin, and more sponsors.
Lots of sponsors there, yeah. And we'll do a close-up video with him later on with no foam, just
Oh, look at Todd
sponsors and
Marcus.
wheels and
Wow,
eyes.
look at Todd Marcus. He has like all these kind of colourful wheels.
Todd Marcus, of course, has the no store sponsor.
And
123 is it?
120.
123. Cool, huh?
Yes, and maybe we can get the shake this off in the foam.
Foamed the foam. Oh my god. Whoa, look at that. That is so cool. It's nearly running out, so it's making really cool shape foam now.
And maybe I can
And
get
like, this even looks a bit like coral. Oh my gosh, look at how much you've got. This is epic.
this is like the ultimate foam party.
It really is. Look at the size of that. It's like a tree, a foam tree you've made.
Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, it does look like a Christmas tree.
Because
I
with
see
these
that.
like these
Smash that tree.
these are like decorations.
Smash that tree.
Okay, smash that tree.
See you later, Christmas. Not Christmas now. It's a sunny day.
It's not
Sunny
Christmas.
day. It's not Christmas.
And
Now we're just leaving it all up.
wow, these are like wool, sheep wool.
See if you throw like a ball of it in the air and catch it again. Nice. Oh no.
Let me get it.
Throw it, not explode
Oh,
it.
get it.
Go get it. Can you see how much foam there is? It doesn't look like much until I put my hand in and you realise it's...
When we mix the pink
Quite a lot.
blue together, it actually makes kind of this lilac-y blue colour.
That makes sense.
Maybe we should get our new... Ah, look! There's a little monkey there. He's having fun. There's a goose. And Bradford in there. Whoa, whoa! There's a rusty cornfield. There's a goat. James Clean Air, Sage Vanderspin, and
Patting it down.
Leadfoot. Yes, patting it
Making a
down.
massive flat there. You see?
Like flat as a pancake. Wow, it's like a mountain.
It's like...
There's our gorilla.
Track.
Stomp, stomp.
Any racetracks? See there.
Yeah.
There's a stomp. Wow, this is one hot mess.
Stomp, stomp, stomp,
Pink
stomp.
mess. All the blue has disappeared. Turned into the pink.
Shake, 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 shake. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
And
We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.